Shoot it?
Yeah. I think one of the things that really separates us is we do our best not to lose focus of the basics. We're not trying to teach you to be like us. We're coaching you to have that survival mindset. There's a lot of cool stuff out there, some good, some bad. You can get sucked down that rabbit hole of information, learn a million things, and still not be prepared. Our intent at American Survival Company is to focus that learning process for you with our experience. Now, can you get experience on your own? Absolutely, of course you can. There's basically two ways to get it. The long, hard way, find a place to train, get out there, do it in as controlled manner as you possibly can, and make mistakes, which is great. Everything should be battle tested in our opinion. Or you can choose the second, smarter way and capitalize on our experience and knowledge to guide you to that big picture of what is important in a survival situation. We make it easy for you. We have the place to train. We're looking out for your safety. We're not going to let you do anything that's going to put yourself in harm's way. And we've got realistic goals for you. You know, sometimes it gets romanticized, like, oh, I'm going to learn all this in a day and be a master at it. And, you know, there's some things you're going to pick up real easy and master in just a matter of no time. There's other things that are going to take more effort and work on your part to truly master and rely on. It's our job to make sure you know exactly what those things are and you leave with a crystal clear understanding. The last thing I want is somebody leaving class with a false sense of security and confidence in their skill sets and their knowledge. Training is an attempt to make predictions more accurate in any given situation. We never know how it's actually going to go down, what environment we might actually be in, what tools we're going to have on us. So it's a mindset thing. It's about training your brain to adapt. And the more tricks you have up your sleeve and the more you train yourself to think in that kind of MacGyver type fashion, the higher your chances are of making it out and making it comfortable.